Okay, Heyhursts, tell us what we're about to do.
Right, it's happening. We're just outside Johnny's house. I've spent a good few hours today making a false clamp, fake clamp, a prank clamp if you like, and the prank clamp is going to be applied to Johnny's car, to the wheel facing his house. We're going to slip one of those under the old windscreen wipery things and then run through the door really loud. Then we're going to bail and find a strategic vantage point to watch, see if he comes out, and then we're going to see his girlfriend. She's going to kill us.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, it's happening. This is the prank clamp. This is the message Johnny will find when he does realise that it's a prank and turns it round. Get involved, please return this to the student union. And here it is, the unveiling ceremony. There's the clamp. Absolutely amazing. Comes with bolts, the whole lot. Sky Digital's customer services number to get himself unclamped. Brilliant. Definitely happening.
Okay, let's do it. Go, go. That's Johnny's house. Lucy, get down there. Okay. There is Adam applying the clamp. And the sign explaining what's happening. Adam's now going to go and put the flyer through the door which says that he's been clamped. We've got some focus issues going on. Oh, it's a security light. I can't see shit, man.
Oh, you fucking dickheads. Oh, you're funny, guys, you're funny.
I've got a TV for you, mate.
You got it?
Yeah, I brought it up for you.
Oh, nice one. That's so not funny. It's just... Oh, you... Be gentle with it, 'cause it took me ages. Have a look at the back of it. Brilliant. We're going to use it again on more people.
Which you more?
What have you done?
That was so funny.
I was just like, what?
Oh, it's amazing. Get the car, yeah? I'm doing TV.
Where's your car, man?
Down there.